What's up, guys? Coach Courtney. Just got to my first job today. I'm about to do 11 areas of carpet cleaning, which is a total of 550. No spots, no stains. So you'll see this video on my Truman Steamers carpet cleaning page. But for my coaching page, you guys, let me sit down for this one because I am so tired of people blaming their environment on their success. What I mean is, I was on the phone with a guy earlier, and he was, I hear so many cleaners, because I'm in the carpet cleaning industry, and I hear so many cleaners. They always say what prices they can't get, what kind of customers they can't work for, blah blah blah. And guys, let me tell you, I used to be the same way. But you know what you end up doing? You'll end up allowing your um, you will end up allowing your environment control who you are and what you can and can't do. For example, I'm going to use the car industry as an example. I live in a middle class area, so here you see like Chevrolet dealerships, Ford dealerships, Nissan, Toyota. But if you go about 30 miles up the road north to Alpharetta, you see Lamborghinis and Porsches and all Teslas, all the high end cars. You see those up in those areas. Why? Because those companies understand those kind of people that live in those areas. That's their market. That's their market. They don't make us. You think they sit back and say, "Oh, we can't get these customers out here in Lawrenceville to buy our cars"? No, and that's what a lot of us do. We sit back and we blame our whatever area we live in on what we can and can't do. So, like I told the guy this morning, if you can't get what you're asking for, if you can't get what you would the price that you think you are worth, your value, why keep complaining about it? You know what I did? I moved. I know where I'm from. I know the area that I'm from. It would be hard for me to get $50 a room. I know that. Okay. I mean, I'm the highest priced cleaner in my area right now, but I understand my value. I understand my worth, and I understand what I bring to the table. Okay. I don't worry about, and it hit so many people. Well, the other cleaners, well, the other companies. I mean, guys, how many cleaners? I mean, in any industry, I don't care if it's real estate, I don't care if it's plumbing, I don't care if it's electrician, doctors, lawyer, I don't care what it is. How many people do you really think is in your profession? I mean, yes, I have about 40, 50 carpet cleaners in my area. But guys, you think everybody in my area cleans carpet? It's a very low percentage. You think everybody in your area is a doctor, a lawyer, a cook, a chef, an athlete, entertainer, a carpet cleaner? No. So when we start comparing what other people do because we do it, we are comparing ourselves to a very low percentage. Everybody's in your area is a teacher. Everybody's in your area is a pastor. Everybody in your area is a pet groomer. No, everybody's not. So that's another thing. You got to stop focusing on everybody else. What everybody else do. No, it's what you do, and that's what you need to focus on. But stop letting your environment, your current environment, control your destiny, where you're trying to go. You know, this is so irrelevant when we understand that it's not as important as we think it is. So if you can't get a certain type of customer, or if you can't make a certain type of income because of your environment that you're in current, get up and move. I mean, I know a guy that cleans carpet. He lives in an area where he knows he can't get that price. But he lives in the area. But guess what? He doesn't service the area. He gets up. His office is in Atlanta. His customers that he services is in Atlanta. But he doesn't live in Atlanta. And he didn't let that hold him back. He didn't make that out of an excuse. Oh, well, I live in this area where, people are not going to pay these prices. And, I know they, I got all these other companies and they not going to pay my, blah, 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 blah. That's all I hear, guys, when I talk to these people. I talk to cleaners. Blah, 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 blah. Stop talking so much. Stop worrying so much and just get up and make something happen. Okay? It's so easy. It's so easy, but we make it so hard, and we wonder why we continue to go through these struggles. We wonder why we continue to go through this moment, and it doesn't change. Nothing moves around us. We're standing still, basing everything off our circumstances when we don't realize it's us. We are the change. You are the change. Because nothing around you is going to change until you change. That's why I'm so grateful. Because, like I was telling this guy earlier, that's why I, moving into 2020, have to distance myself from certain things. Why? Because I know everybody doesn't see value in me. So what do I have to do? I have to go somewhere else and cater to those that value me. It's just like example, my carpet cleaning business. If I know what I'm worth and I know what I can bring to the table, why would I clean for someone or clean for a certain amount of money if I know that's not what I want? Why would I do that? Sometimes most of us can't even answer this question, but we'll just get up and do it. And not only will we get up and do it, knowing this is not what we want, knowing that we're worth more than this, we'll still complain about it. And you wonder why things don't change. You wonder why your circumstances is still the same. Day in, day out, month in, month out, years and years and years. Everything is the same because you will not make the change. You are the change. Nothing's going to change until we make the change. So my thing is, when I look back on my own life, these customers that I service now, 11 areas, no spots, no stains, $550, $50 an area. I know there's certain areas I can't get this, or I would rarely get this. But why am I going to make that out of an excuse when I know there's areas and there's certain type of people that would give me this? I just serve those people, just like those dealerships, just like anything, restaurants. That's why you might see certain restaurants in certain neighborhoods because they know, well, we put our restaurant over here. These people are not going to value us. They're not gonna agree with our business model. And guess what, guys? That's fine. That's a-okay. Everybody is not. And I'm telling you, even for myself, I had to realize within this last month, everybody's not going to agree with me. It's not their job to agree with me. No matter who you are, what you do on the face of this earth, everybody is not going to agree with you. And guess what? That is fine. It's okay. It's normal. It's human nature. So what do? We focus on those that see value in us. We focus on those that are willing to cater us or support us in whatever we do in our lives. And that's what it really boils down to. I mean, you have different sides of everything. You got a $10 steak, you got a $50 steak, It's just, I mean, you got high end, you got low end, you got $10,000 cars, you got $100,000 cars. I mean, you got $100 watch, you got 10,000. I mean, I'm just saying, using it as an example. You got watches that cost $100 grand plus, But my thing is, man, stop using your environment as an excuse. And that's all we're doing. That's all we do. We use our environments as an excuse. Oh, well, I live in this area and I can't do this and I can't do that. No, it's not. You're basically letting your environment control your life. That's what we do sometimes. We let our environment control who we want to be. And if you do that, guys, you would never be the person you're trying to be. So stop using these poor excuses to hold you back, set you back. Because year after year, time is going to keep, I'm telling you, just get to the point, guys. Time is so valuable. It's so valuable. And if we don't utilize it the way we should, I'm going to look up one day. And I've heard so many people say this in my life. I heard so many people say, man, if I can start all over again. And I'm telling you, I don't know about you, that's not going to be me. I refuse to be 10, 20 years down the road saying what I wish I could have did again. Why? Why wait 10 to 20 years when we can do it now? All right, guys, let me get to work. See you in the next one.